We have somehow managed to reach Manali, but I'm not sure whether we can go back in one piece because it's 7 to 8 degrees centigrade here. It's very cold. Now we are going to see Kulaba Camp, Nehru Kant and Solang Valley. We cannot go to Rohtang Pass because the road is blocked. It's full of snow, it's covered with ice. Manali is called the Switzerland of India. It's a wonderful place for honeymooners and trekkers. And you can see why it's called Switzerland of India. It's full of snow-capped mountains. Trekking is in summer, and in winter it's skiing. Skiing happens on mountains like these. These mountains are covered with trees, mainly pine trees and deodar.
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हर मौसम रंगीला ऐसा देश है मेरा हो ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा.
Other than skiing and trekking, there are two other main attractions. One being rafting when there's water in the lake, and also pony rides.
बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए सावन घिर के आए ऐसा देश है मेरा हो ऐसा देश है मेरा ऐसा देश है मेरा हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा.
There is no snowfall, but there is definitely lots of fallen snow. I'll be doing skiing soon. I'll show you the videos of that. This is very close to the places where 3 movies have been shot. Maa Tujhe Salam, Jab We Met and 3 Idiots. You can sit on this and take photos. You can also have rides on this. This is in Manali, Himachal Pradesh. देखो ना देखो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी यादों में खोकर पूछो ना पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरे बातों में जीकर. I'm trying to make a snowman here. This is the best I can do with the ice. Snowman. कोई तो वजह जो जीने का मजा यूं आने लगा. ये हवाओं में है क्या थोड़ा सा जो नशा यूं छाने लगा. पूछो ना पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी राहों में आकर. पूछो ना पूछो मुझे क्या मिलेगा तेरी बाहों में. Look at this place. I still can't believe that I'm really here. The snow-covered mountains of Himachal Pradesh, Manali. Worth seeing, worth a lifetime. हिंदी में स्नो को बोलते हैं बर्फ, और अभी मैं सो रहा हूँ बर्फ पे. As you must have seen, I am an expert at skiing. I fell around 2 to 3 times. That's less. And the yak you saw there, That is 400 kilos. They use the fur of the yak to make Kashmiri shawls and other kind of dresses. Now we also made a snowman. It's not a snowman, it's a snow pillar. It was taller than me. That means it's around 6 feet. Not mentioning my height there. But then, see this place, it's amazing. It's truly unbelievable. And I played in the snow so much that, you know, I had a lifetime experience here. You should visit this place, Manali and Rohtang Pass and Koti. There are beautiful snow-capped mountains surrounding everywhere. The road we took uphill goes to Rohtang Pass, which is now blocked because of the heavy snowfall. It also goes to Kargil, Kashmir and even up to the Chinese border. It is the national highway to Leh.
क्यों होना ही है, तुमसे ही दिन होता है, सुरमई शाम आती है, तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही.
This is Solang Valley. Solang Valley is famous for its silver oak trees and grassy meadows. But right now it's winter, the whole place is covered with snow. And this is the time when there is skiing, where you get pony rides. The Rohtang Pass is around 13,050 feet above sea level. Some other good places to see here are the Hidimba Temple, the Van Vihar, which is for wildlife, and also a monastery. Let's see if time permits, we will take you there too. And some good things you get here are wild flowers, Tibetan carpets, and there's also a waterfall here which is called Rahala Falls, which is not there in our tour schedule. There's a place called Rani Nalla, which is a glacier point. It is the place where there is snow every time of the year. Some good birds you see here are wagtails. These are the ponies for the pony rides. Plenty of them.
अपने देश की मिट्टी की खुशबू मुझे याद आती है, कभी बहलाती है.
Did I tell you, Rohtang Pass is the highest jeepable road in the world. Today we couldn't go there because of snow. It's very steep, it's at a high altitude where even the oxygen seems fresh. We are not stopping at Nehru Kund because we are a bit late. And Nehru Kund is a spring which was named after our late Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It seems the water there is good for health. This is the monastery here in Manali. It is a Buddhist temple which worships the Lord Buddha. Here we get the Buddhist monks. In the local language, this place is called Himalaya Ninmapa.
पल पल एक समय की नदियाँ हैं जो बहती जाती हैं, अपने देश की मिट्टी की खुशबू मुझे याद आती है.
I won't be able to show you Hidimba Temple because it's 3 kilometers away and I'm too frozen up to go anywhere else. This is Van Vihar, a wildlife division. There's boating here during the months when there's water in the lake. For now, it's bye-bye, tata.